So yeah, I do inside stuff. I mean, I have still air boxes and I make cultures and things and even Uncle Ben's. I mean, I experiment a lot. But at any rate, I have a lot of mycelium going on, and I'm having trouble with my recipes. I'm experimenting a little too much, I think. So what's gonna happen is, get fed up, put them outside. Just go check on them. Now I know you guys are gonna say, "Oh well, it's supposed to be outdoors, you know. It's nature, this, that, and the other." Look at my mycelium on this baby, barely poking through. Oh, so excited! It's like a fetus. At any rate, and then I was thinking I cannot get these to freaking fruit. I fucked with the light, the moisture, shit's just not balancing out. I'm like, fuck it. I'm gonna put a little globe over them. And this morning I was pleasantly surprised. I was like, wow, they're really right about the cold weather. And get less but larger. Those are tidal waves, which I believe are. What, Kinesimian teacher, I believe? Albino teacher? Some shit like that. But those suckers are bigger than my thumb. I would give you size comparison, but I'm trying to sniff at it right now. But yeah, buddy, that's good. Half ounce. There's another one under there. There's a bunch of pins under there. I'm gonna go throw them inside on the heat and go ahead and ramp this fucker up. So then I said, yup, that's what time it is. Fuck the this, fuck the that. This is all you need. Brown rice can have many different diseases and things if you don't sterilize properly. Rockwool even works, but it holds so much damn moisture it almost suffocates your stuff. Cardboard's my new favorite tinker toy. I'll tell you what. Straw discs. Perfect for insertion. I mean, into bags and stuff. And I'm pretty damn sure I'm onto something. If I crush charcoal and I mix it with hydrogen peroxide, it's still safe because hydrogen peroxide is good for killing off any fungal spores, but it likes to leave mycelium alone. Don't be afraid to throw patches either. And you take the charcoal paste, charcoal, smash it up, mix it with the peroxide, make a paste out of it. Can be chunky, that's fine. Goob it on. This thing had trike, as you can see, and I believe gray mold. So if anybody knows what they're talking about, you know what that is, and that is like your worst fucking nightmare. So experimenting around, I'm not gonna say it cured it, but it knocked the fuck out of it. I don't know what I'm on to, but experiment with your own. See what happens. It's definitely worth giving a shot. I'm gonna try a little better on the next one. This was just kind of proof of concept. I understand it's spread. I get it. I get it. I get it. But yeah, this little hockey puck don't give a fuck. Yeah, this was also a mycelium brick. As you can see, that was Coyer and uh, Varm, I believe. Or, we got disease, so it's out here hanging out. This is just my experiment to see what I can fuck with to get rid of this shit. A cure for cancer. Not that everybody gave them what they wanted to know about my spare time. I just wanted to say, don't be scared to try new stuff, and definitely those people who are scared to try psilocybin and stuff. This has literally become a life changer. Peace.